In this video, you will see how to change text color in Word document. To change the text color in Word document, you first need to select the text using your mouse or a keyboard. Right click on the text and then click on font. You will see this window. Under the color and underline option, here is the font color. You can click on the drop down and then select the color of your choice, and you can see the preview here. If you are not satisfied with the colors available here, you can go to more colors and then you can use any color of your choice like this and then click on OK and OK. You can also, under the home tab, click here on the A option, which is the font color option. Click on the drop down. You will see same colors. You can also go to the gradient option and you can select the gradient if you want to. For example, if we select like this, the shading of the text will change. However, the color won't change. You can also go to the more gradient option and then you can select multiple colors if you want to by clicking on the stop and then select the color. And you can also adjust the gradient stops like this and then close the window. As you can see, now we have a multicolor text in Word document. Click on that like button, comment below and let me know if this video solved your problem. And don't forget to check out these useful videos if you want to learn Microsoft Word quickly. See you again in the next one.